So let's start by removing the cover from the tank. Now all toilets are different these days, so try to deactivate the flushing mechanism. For this specific toilet, all I had to do was unhook a small chain. Once you have done that, we are gonna run a few pieces of tape from one end of the tank to the other, just like I'm doing so right here. What we're gonna be putting on top is a balloon. For this example, I'll be using some long balloons. These are typically used to make balloon animals at parties. Well, we're gonna need one. So just go and fill it up with water like so, but don't tie it. Just hold on to the tip by pinching it. Place the balloon on top of the strips of tape. Just make sure that the tip is sticking out and pointing at you. While still holding onto the tip, place the lid over it. The weight of it should be enough to keep the liquids from coming out, and at this point, the prank is set. Here's how it works. So your victim is gonna come into the bathroom and do their business, right? But when it's time to flush, they will run into an issue. So their instinct will be to remove the cover from the tank to investigate the problem, and this is what will happen. Once the lid is removed, the balloon will instantly squirt your victim. They won't even have time to get out of the way. It's just a great prank to get them wet.